target recruitment boards.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday informed media that after receiving negative response from various church leaders, NGOs and traditional heads regarding setting up of casino industry in Ribhoi, the state government has decided not to go further with the setting up of casino industry in Ribhoi. Talking to DD News, Meghalaya Secretary of Khasi Jaintia Christian Leaders Forum, Reverend E.H. Kharkongor, said that the statement made by the Chief Minister lacks clarity and the forum stands by its decision not to allow any kind of casino industry to be set up in the state of Meghalaya.
What is clear to us is that from now on, from the time that the government has received these concerns expressed by different groups, including church leaders, from now on, these processes will not move forward. The forum has taken a stand that we don't want a casino industry to be set up in the state. We don't want it to be set up now or in the future also, because we are concerned about the future of our youth, the future of our state, and